The main thing I like about spin mops like this is you can get everything mopped really well. This soaks up water super well like a sponge, so you can get things really wet. That helps you get things clean, but it also dries out really well. When you put it in the dryer, you spin dry, and so it's just a nice, quick, and easy way to dry your floor as well. And the main drawback I see with a mop like this, and honestly, I see this with almost all mops, is your dirty rinse water goes into your nice clean water. So what I like to do, I actually don't rinse out the mop until I've mopped everything. So I try to get it pretty wet. I will wring it out by spinning it just a little bit in here, and then I'll try to mop the whole floor, get everything nice and clean before I wring it out, and I'm wringing out dirty water. And if you need to, you can always refill this with clean water and start over again. This mop was sent to me so I could try it out and make this video. It's very similar to other spin mops I have used and tried. It comes with 5 heads. Now this is kind of a microfiber. It soaks things up really well, does a really good job cleaning. It also comes with kind of a scrub brush head. The heads just kind of snap into place for the base unit here. It comes with these 3 pulls. You just screw them together. And then in the mop body, it actually has kind of this mechanism where if you unlatch this, you can spin it around and you can kind of clean off the bristles or the whatever you would call these hair things. And then you can do the same thing for the drying section. You just put this in here. You just kind of push the pull down. It spins it. You can get it spinning really fast. You can get this absolutely dry. Most of the time when I mop, I use it kind of like a broom since there's so much dirt on our floor anyway. I have 4 young boys, so I always have really, really messy floors. So I kind of do a sweeping motion. If it's really dirty, I'll do more of a scrubbing motion. But once I've mopped everything into a pile, I kind of just shake it out. I give it a second to dry, and then I sweep it up. And while I'm letting the pile of stuff dry, I will dry off the head, and I'll go back over the floor, dry everything off, and then I have a nice clean floor. When you're done, you just dump everything into the sink. I like to go back, fill it up one more time just to make sure that this is clean before I store it. Do the same thing over again, dump all that water, and I'm good to go. Overall, it's a good mop. Like I said, it is very, very similar to other mops I have seen like this. If I had to give 2 areas for improvement, I would say 1, it'd be nice if there was like a spout or something in the mop, even if it's just like a rubber stopper that you can pull out to dump the water out so you don't have to actually dump it in the sink. I think that'd be nice. And then I really wish that they would make mops like this with a divider down the middle with plastic, so you can get your mop clean and then you can wring out all the dirty water and keep it separate. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but it seems like a good idea to me. I guess if you did that, it would be weighted perfectly center. Maybe that's why I know mop manufacturers do it. I don't know what I'm talking about, but the mop works fine. But if you want the water clean, you just have to fill it up a few times.